Hey everyone, Carly Chambers here with the Tony Bachman Group at Keller Williams in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. I'm here to answer just a couple common questions that we've been getting from buyers about why now is a good time to sell and things of that sort. The first question is, why would you make the best real estate agent for me? And my answer is simple. I have a great, amazing team that has 40 plus years of experience under their belt. If I'm unable to answer a question, one of them is going to be able to help you get to that answer as quick as possible. Being a teacher for the last 6 years, that has also helped me adapt to the ever-changing real estate market, and that's a quality that you should value in a realtor. Why is now the best time to buy a home? With the market continuing to increase in value, the price of homes is just going to continue to go up. If you were to buy a home now, the home's value would appreciate as each month goes on. The final question that I get a lot is this market going to switch over to a buyer's market? Statistically, and with what our numbers are looking at, it looks like it's not going to be switching over to a buyer's market anytime soon due to the lack of inventory and also with the great rates that people are getting with their loans. Those are just a few common questions that I get from buyers. If you have any questions or are wondering about is right now a good time to buy, please give me a call, Carly Chambers at 952-297-5625, and ask Carly how I can find your new chambers.